Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Neturaj, and today we will be showing you how to create your own free website. So if you are already subscribed to our channel, you should be knowing that we post such videos and keep posting such videos always. And to see further such videos in future, if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe to our channel and then you will find such huge videos. So let's start building our own free website. So first you should go to Google and type 00000 dot webhost dot com. So this is the website which gives us a free hosting and free domain name. You will have to sign in first. For using this website, signing in is compulsory. So we'll first sign in, or in your case sign up. You can easily sign up with Facebook or your Gmail account, whichever is available. So we will first sign up. We have to enter our email address here. So and set up a password. Sign up. So now you will get a link on your email. Now we will go to our email ID to click the activation link, because for accessing this website you will need to activate it. So as you can see, we have received an activation link here. We have to click to verify this email address, and once you verify the email address, you can start building your own free website. Let's resend confirmation link. And now it is verified. Okay, the email verification is complete. Let's create some magic. So friends, here the website will ask you what kind of website do you want to build. So now you should be clear whether you want to build a website which creates shows blogs, or do you want to create an online store like an Amazon affiliated marketing store, or you just want to have a website for fun, want to learn web development or create a web design. So today I will show you how to create an online store. So I will select online store. Then you have to answer these questions, because based on this the website will define what kind of website you need, and it will show you such kind of templates. So since I'm creating an affiliated marketing store now, so it will be about, so since now I'm making an online store kind of website, so let me take a name as online store dash store. So this will be your website's name. It's like Google's website's name is google.com. Similarly, we will have online store.000webhost.com as our website's name. So password, you can select any password here. So I will select a password now. This is the by default generated password by system, so you can change it. or you can have the same password which is already generated. So now let me put a password. So we are getting an error here that there is another website already existing with the same name. So we will make the change at online store dash Nituraj, or we will, so we will change the name as Nituraj stores. Let's see, submit. Okay, and the website is being created. Yeah, the website is created. Now what we need to do is we'll be building up our website in WordPress. So we will need to install WordPress first. So select WordPress. You will have to create a WordPress login. To install WordPress, you will need a user ID or WordPress ID. So here we are creating a WordPress ID. So by default, the name will be admin. You can change it here. So I'm not changing it at the moment and creating a password here. So remember this password because this password and this ID will be always required for editing our website. Now install. So let it install. It will take some time. So this is our dashboard, basically from where we will access our website. It takes, it generally takes some time to install WordPress. It will depend purely on your internet speed, processing power. Finalizing. Okay, so our WordPress is installed and here we will start editing. So as I said, WordPress requires your ID and password. You need to log into your WordPress account to edit your website. So I'm logging in now. ID. So we have logged in to WordPress now. So here you can see this is a WordPress dashboard. You can set up your website from here. So now first thing what we will do is, since we are setting up an online store, so we'll first put or install a theme. So go to appearance, then themes. Here you can see various themes. Add new theme. And since I am preparing an online store, I will write store. So these are the theme options available. So let's install this Envo theme. Activate. Activate. Okay, now here is our theme. So now it shows you what are the recommended options here. So we will import a demo theme now. So we will click here, one click demo import, install, activate plugin, install demo. Now we'll run the setup wizard. So now this theme will ask you some questions. We have to answer it and our theme will be ready. So live preview we can look. Once we have completed all these activities, our website will look like this. So close, select, install demo, install all these activities. This import takes some time, so I will skip this part. And the import is done. So now here are the options. This is your site name, upload a logo. If you have a company logo, you can upload it here. If you have a store logo, you can upload it here. What sort of site icon? So this is WordPress site icon. So if you want to have such kind of a site icon, you can upload it here. So I'm not uploading anything at the moment, and your website is ready. So let's view our website. Since I have not uploaded anything, these things are blank. But as I upload things, this icons will be visible here. And this way, friends, we have created our own free website and it is live now. You can see. So you can copy this and paste it in a new tab and see your website is live. So this was for this tutorial, friends. If you want to know anything more, please write to me and subscribe to my channel and keep getting lots and lots of such kind of videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with something new for you to learn and understand. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.